Hello everyone, my name is Vakar Hassan and you are watching AI Studio. Today we will make a facial recognition attendance system. Basically, facial recognition attendance system is a system that will verify an employee with facial features and record attendance automatically. Okay, so basically we have a data of the images. Let just let me show you some images. Okay, these are the images which are in our record. Okay, so if I open my webcam and will show you that what gonna I do. So from here you can see that. Okay, and that this is the image which I want to mark the attendance. Okay, so now what will I do? I will do the I will do and make the system. So let's get straight into the projects. So first of all, I will import all my libraries here. First of all, I will import my CV2 library and then I will import NumPy as NP. Okay. After this, what will I do? I will here import my face recognition system library, which is here face recognition. Okay, after that I will import my OS and I will run this. Okay, after running this, what will I do? I will define the path where my data is located. So from here, what will I do? I will copy the path from the desktop. Okay, here is the path. I will copy and I will paste it here. Okay, so here is the path and what will I do? Okay, after doing this, after defining the path, I will create the list of my images which are present in my path. Okay, so then I will define my class names. Okay, which is equal to this. After doing this class names, I will create that list. So here I will write my list which is equal to os dot list, and here I will give him the name of the path. Okay, so after that I want to print my list. So here you can see what will in our list. So after running this, all the names will be shown, but it will say that it has no library. So here I will make some changing. So here you can see after doing this, it will work. And here is the list of the images which are in our path. So now what I want to do, I want to remove these .jpg file here. So for this purpose, I will create class in my list. Here I will write current image, which is equal to cv2 dot imread, and here I will write the path. Okay, after writing that path, I will here I will write class. So okay, after doing this, what will I do? You will see from here. So just here I will put this. Okay, after doing this, I will write images, yeah, append, and here I will write current image. So here I will define the class names and append function on the class name. Okay, So here I will write os dot path dot spelled text. Basically, I want to remove these text from my list. So that's why I am using this command. So here you will see I will write the class, and here I will give him the values which is 0. Okay. So after doing this, now what will I do? I will print this. So here I will write print, and here I will write the class names. Okay. So I will run this, and here you can see that these are spilled from that text. Okay. So now what will I do? I will encode my all images which are present in this. Okay. So let's do this. Here I will define a function of find encoding of that images. Okay. After defining this function, I will encode my list, all of the list. So here I will write encode list, which is equal to that list. Okay. After writing this, I will here use the for command for image in images. Okay. So which is the image is equal to cv2 dot color cvt color, and here I will write of that image, and here I will convert these images from bgr to rgb. So that's why I am writing this command cv2 dot color, and here I will write bgr to rgb. Okay. So here I will encode this. So now I am encoding this. So here I can write encode is equal to face recognition nation dot face encoding. Okay. So after writing this, which will encode? It will encode all the image which are present in the list. Okay. So after writing this, what will I do? I will append this. Okay. So here I will write encode list dot append and encode. Okay. So after that, I will give him the return function, which is return. What will it return? It will return the encode list. So here I will write this. Okay. So now what will I do? I will encode and print that encoding. If the encoding is complete, then it will show the message that encoding is complete. Okay. So now here I will write encode list of that known, which is equal to find encoding find encoding encoding. Okay. So here I will write images. Okay. So after this I will print this out. So here I will write print. What will it will print? It will print that encoding is complete. So here I will write encoding complete. Okay. So now I will run this. Okay. Let's see what happened. So here it is running. After encoding all the images, it will show the message that our encoding is complete. So here our first part is completed. Basically, in the first part, first of all, we will create the list of all that images which are in our path, and from that list we see that .jpg text is not so much necessary, so that's why we will remove this text, and then we will encode all of the list of the images. And after doing this, our second step is that we will take picture from camera, and it will match that image from the encoded list. If the images is similar, then it will show the message that this person has marked his attendance. Okay, so now we will move toward our second part. So in the second part, first of all, we will capture the video from camera. So that's why here we will write capture is equal to cv2 dot video capture. Okay. So after writing this, we will here write 0 because we are capturing the picture so from our default camera. So that's why I will write here the 0. So here I will give him the while loop, while true, what will happen. So here I will write success image is equal to cap dot read, and here I will give him, so it will print that images. So here I will write print image. So after writing this, I am going to resize that picture. So here I will write image as is equal to cv2 dot resize. Okay, so after doing resizing, here I will put the values image, and here I am defining that let's suppose 0 0. So after doing this, what will I do? I will here write none. Okay, so here I will write the values of fx and fy. So that's why here I am putting this 0.25 and 0.25. So okay, so after doing this, what will I do? I will write here the image as which is I am basically after resizing that image, I will convert that images from BGR to RGB. So here I will write cv2 dot cvt color dot cvt color. Okay, and here I will put the command image of that. Okay, so here I will write cv2 dot color, and here I will write BGR to RGB. Okay, after doing this, what will I do? I will here basically here I am going to frame that faces. So here I am going to do faces of that current frames, which is equal to face recognition, and here I will write the command that will also locate. So that's why I am using that function which is face locations. Okay, so after that, and that you can write here image so that after these taking these images, what will it do? It will encode that frame. So here I will write encode current frame. Okay, encode current frame, which is equal to face recognition, and here I will write face encodings. Okay, and encode that image, and here I will write that faces of the current frame. Okay, so after doing this, what will I do? I will here use the for command. So for that, here I will write for encode face and the face location. Okay, so which will give in zip. So here you can see I will write encode of the current frame, and the second one is our face current frame. Okay, so here I will copy this and will paste it here. So after doing this for loop, what will I do? I will match it all that frame. So that's why I am here writing that command matches is equal to face recognition. And what will I do? After recognition, it will capture that faces. So here I will write the command capture dot faces. So here I will encode that list of the known. Okay, so here I will write the command encode list of the known. So it will compare that images which are captured from camera and will compare with the encoded list of the known images. Okay, so here I will write encode face. So after doing this, what will it do? I want to calculate the distance of the face. So here I will write face distance command, which is equal to face recognition, and here I will write face distance, and here I will again give him the same. So here I can write encode list known, and what will I do? Encode face. So okay, here we can write encode face. Okay, so now what will I want to, if I want to calculate the distance of the match faces and the encoded faces, then I will use that command print print face distance if I want to calculate. But at this point, I am not going to do this, so I am commenting this out. So here you can see after doing this, what will I do? I will basically here write the match index. Okay, so here I will write the match index, and which is equal to np dot minimum. So here I can write the face distance. Basically, it will decide from the face distance if the faces are matches or not. So here, what will I do? I will create if matches of the match index. Okay, sorry. Here we can change this from here. Okay. So now what will I do? It will name that class names, and here it will match index. So after doing this, basically I want to write the name in the upper letter. So that's why here I will give him the command of the upper. Okay, then it will print that name. Okay, so here I can write print name. Okay, so this is our code. Now let's run this code. Now we will run our code from the starting point. So here you can see that when it matches the images, then it will show the name of that person. Okay, so it will take some time. Just wait. Here it is showing some error. So here we will remove that error. So basically we have not give him the command to read the camera. So here I am putting the command to read that camera, which is equal to cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture, and here I will put that command. So in our case, you can use it 0 if you are not using your default camera. So if you are using your webcam, then you can give him the value of webcam. So now let's run this code again. So let's see what happened. So after doing this, it will read the camera and it's running. Okay. So now here you can see that it is calculating just from here. Okay. So here you can see the distance. It is calculating the distance, and when the distance is match, and it will show the message, this person is Donald Trump. Okay. So this is our project of face recognition attendance system. So keep watching AI Studio for more ex exciting projects